It was really bad.
I want to try it now. So $1.
Really?
Here we go. I'm pretty sure this is the half. And then Simon got onigiri. How's your onigiri?
The first one was really spicy. I almost cried.
Okay, wait, I want to try the broth of it. Do you want to try?
Really good?
I love it. The meat's like pretty good as well. It's really like tender. Good choice, meat. So grab this as well. Halfway through this. What are your thoughts? Yeah, I agree. So good. We got really hungry, so we ordered more food. Are you happy? There was already so many people waiting outside, so we had to get a number, and I remember our number was like 1,104, and then the estimated wait time was an hour. So we walk around, and then like an hour later we decided to go back, and it's already past our number, so we're like, what? We still got in and we got a table and everything.
Well, Michelin star restaurant, it was really good, but at the same time I feel like Melbourne does it pretty well.
So what would you rate it?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Yeah, I pretty much agree. Like, I think the shilin baos at Din Tai Fung were really good. The skin of the dumpling as well was much better than, I guess, Melbourne. But in terms of like the filling of the dumplings, Melbourne does do pretty good dumplings, I reckon. So yeah, pretty good experience, but just be aware of the big crowd. So I probably would rate it 9 out of 10 as well. So we just got sea snail and
Debone chicken feet.
yep.
Spicy.
So we got a mix of both, and he's struggling to open it.
Alright, she's about to try the sea snails.
I like it.
What does it taste like?
I don't know. It tastes like something I've had before.
I wanted to get the spicy one to like kind of kill the snail taste, but you went with the no spice? Really? Yeah, try the chicken feet. I reckon the chicken feet would be good. Yes? No?
Well, I recommend. And this was 200.
200 NT. So $10.
Got this sausage thing.
Hot.
It's hot. Thoughts?
That's really good.
Really? I want to try it.
That's mine.
Oh! Oh my god, that's blizzard.
Can't see it. How's the sausage?
Ooh! I like this. I made it. This was 35 NT.
I'll try this first.
Okay.
Yo, that's insane.
So we just got these sweet potato balls. And now we're going to try them. How much were they?
50 NT.
Okay. He says they're okay.
They're alright.
Alright. Just got these flour noodles. Got 2 large ones. And we added some chili sauce.
Oh, I just took a hit of this chili.
Did you mix it in?
It's really good though.
It's really good?
Yeah. It's kind of refreshing.
What does it taste like?
I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a very comforting.
I'm mixing it in.
It's good. How would you describe it?
Exactly what you said, like really like warm and
It's warm and refreshing.
yeah, refreshing.
But you don't know how to describe
also
it.
because we're really hungry because this is our first meal of the day.
Yeah.
Is it worth it? We shall find out.
170.
Oh, great one. Yeah, average life.
170. We got the brown sugar one and just the normal boba milk tea. So do the honors. Is it actually different to like Melbourne?
It's so soft.
So we have to mix this one.
But they're really soft.
Is it?
Yeah.
That was 50.
85. You're charging that much.
It's different from the 7-Eleven.
Is it better?
Okay, first of all, we walked in. I don't think they spoke much English. All the signs were in English, I mean, not in Chinese as well. And so Simon was like, so we got 2 medium beef noodles. I think it was 100 NT each. So that's like $5. $5 for each. Compared to my 7-Eleven beef noodles, like this was 10 out of 10. So I put some chili into my noodles and it was so good. Like I could have it again. It was so good.
Got the chicken. So what did we get actually?
We got the signature deep fried squid
Deep fried squid.
and the signature deep fried chicken
Chicken.
from
Yeah. Probably really hot, but try it.
Yo,
Is it good?
that's so good.
Is this a squid? Also, the guy at the place is singing. I don't know if they can hear it though. If you can hear anyone sing, that's the guy at the chicken place.
He's seeing like, I think he was seeing like old McDonald.
Yeah, he was.
How's the chicken? Super juicy, so soft. That was fresh.
This is the chicken.
It's so white. You're like a ghost. Was it good?
Yeah.
Try the squid. It's hot. Just be careful. I agree. I think I like the squid more.
How much?
$1.90, so like $10.
So I got the taro one. I haven't got to the taro yet. But it's really flaky. This was 20 NT, so $1, 1 Australian. Grab.
I think I can't fit anymore.
Okay. We got beef, lamb. Oh, it says this is chicken eye roll. This is New Zealand sirloin, lamb, and that's boneless chuck short ribs. And we've got the mala and vegetable soup, some veggies, and some mushrooms. So I also just got a drink, lemon iced tea, and also Taiwanese beer. What are your thoughts?
That Taiwanese beer is so nice.
Really? What is it? I want to try it. I don't like beer.
It's kind of light and refreshing, not too heavy. I reckon it'll be good with alcohol.
Actually, I don't mind it.
Yeah, I like
I think it's better than Asahi. Sorry, Rima.
You want to try this?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
It's kind of frozen, so also got these things. Wait, I can't use this.
show my soul. I make the soul. I like the mala better.
That's good.
This is so much better than shopping. Sorry guys.
Sorry, but
So much better than shopping.
where?
This is so much better than shopping. Confident. I feel like I need more coriander in it. It's a bit too sesame.
Oh yeah. Look at my bowl.
Look how good that looks. Yum. So we just got some more stuff. We've got some seafood over there. And we got our soup refilled as well. What are you gonna get? We just got some ice cream. So those Haagen-Dazs and Mövenpick. So I got a mixture of matcha, I think it was like brownie, something, chocolate chip, and then Simon got, what did you get, babe?
Blueberry,
Blueberry,
matcha, and
No idea.
Like a mango sorbet.
Oh, yum. Final thoughts. That's his final thoughts. Goodbye.
What would you rate it?
8 out of 10.
How much did it cost? 1,390 something new Taiwan dollars. So that's around $35 each. So it's all you can eat hot pot. There was a wide range of vegetables and like seafood and meats. There was also like dessert. There was ice cream and there was also like puddings and stuff which we didn't eat because we were already full. There was also drinks. So there was like lemon iced tea, green tea, milk tea as well, and also beer.
Actually, when you say out loud, it's probably 10 out of 10. When you say out loud, the value is pretty good.
Yeah,
if you can eat a lot.
It was so funny because at the start they let you order 4 different types of meat, and after we finished the meats we were like, hey, let's get 2 more. And then straight after we ordered it, we're like, crap, we're actually kind of full, like we don't really need 2 more meats. And then we're like, we have to cancel it when it comes out, but then it never came out, so like, phew.
So this is a scallion pancake from ningxia night market. I thought the middle is more where everything is because the outside is like fried. We've got spicy sauce as well.
You're taking a bow every time you bite. You're taking a bow every time you bite. Did you get to the middle?
Yeah, I don't really like the outer part.
Yeah.
It's a bit too much. Well, not too much, I do like heavy, but like, I just want to get to the middle part.
Right. What do you rate it though? And how much was it? And where'd you get it from?
6 out of 10. 6 or 7 out of 10. It's
Oh, yeah?
not bad, but it could be better. It was 50 in Taiwan. So there was a really long line for these chicken things. And each one was 45 NT. It was a long line. So let's film the line. I want to try it now. It's called a chicken wrap. I didn't know why it was called a chicken wrap because it's wrapped. It's like wrapped.
Oh, it's spicy. What do you rate it? How much did you pay for it?
Really good.
Yeah?
I'll rate it like 9.
It was 45 NT each. She's too hungry, she's just eating without even explaining what she's eating. It's a scallion pancake. We got it in Yongkang district. I don't know what the name of the shop is, but it's 35 NT, which is just under $2. There you go. She doesn't need to talk now. She'll just do the eating part.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, she says. Alright. It's really hot.
So good, yeah.
I want another one.
She'll get one later after dinner. Okay, so we got the mango snowflake It's like a mixture of warm and cold. It's really good.
What's that? Salty soy milk?
Yeah, salty soy milk,
Scrambled eggs.
scrambled eggs, and
Thick bread with scrambled eggs inside as well.
yum. We waited how long?
40 minutes?
Wait, 40 minutes for this, so let's try it. It's interesting. It's interesting.
Is it a quiet taste?
Maybe with the bread.
Rate it.
7 out of 10.
And where are we?
Fuhang
Soy milk?
soy milk. Yeah.
How much did we pay?
The line was so long.
This was 90 NT, so $4.50.
All of this money. pickier. So this is the half beef, half tendon beef noodles. Got a small one and got a large one. And this is fried tofu. Yum! Okay, I think this is better than the last one. Good, but I think the meat was softer at other places.
Oh, okay.
But the broth is really good. Compared to the first beef place we went to, the broth was, I think I liked it much better, but I think I preferred the beef at the other place just a bit more, because it was a bit more tender, whereas this was a bit more chewier. But the beef at this place, like, it was bigger pieces. That was also really good. Me and Simon both got the half beef and half beef tendon. I actually really recommend getting it with tendon, but Simon got large. He said it was a bit too much tendon. But yeah, I really recommend it. It was a bit more expensive than the first place that we went to, but compared to the other popular beef noodle place at Yongkang, this is cheaper, so I recommend it. So this is the pepper bun. It was 55 NT dollars.
How's it?
I can feel that the inside's really hot.
Is it good?
I will get another one.
Really? Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Look at that.
Wow, that looks amazing.
It's really juicy. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I reckon it's a 10 out of 10 as well. Got this pineapple bun for 35 NT. There's butter in there. We haven't even fully had dinner yet. I'm already having dessert. So we just got a Taiwan specialty.
I'm sorry to the people who are sitting around
Stinky
us
tofu.
right now. I don't want to eat this.
Shall I do the honors?
You can do the honors.
So this was 50 NT. I like it.
Really?
It smells, but like, you can't really, it doesn't taste bad. It just tastes a bit salty. You want to try it?
Oh, you're gonna feed it? Alright. It smells really bad.
You can't tell when you taste it.
I can't taste it, but I keep thinking about the smell.
And it's turning you off.
It's putting me off.
I actually don't mind it. I would suggest if you come to Taiwan, definitely try it.
Babe.
What? You don't want any more?
It was really bad. 1 out of 10.
I give it like a 7. So we just got this squid for 250 NT.
I just one shot this.
Oh yeah, just do it. One shot.
It's actually delicious. Really good.
What would you rate it out of 10?
It was a bit of 9.
I'll one shot as well.
Why'd you one shot it? I didn't one shot it. Nah, I took 2 bites.
It's really chewy and like, it's not too hard.
That was really nice.
I think the spicy seasoning made it better. I recommend. I think you'll really like it. It tastes like healthy and clean. We got number 4 and it was 50 NT. Oyster omelette and it was 65 NT. What sauce is that?
Sweet chili, maybe? I don't know. It's sweet. I'll just grab something here. Oh my god. I'm not a big fan of oysters.
Hopefully it's okay.
In fact, I don't like oysters. Actually pretty good. Yeah, I'll eat that.
Red out of 10.
8.5 out of 10. What do you think?
I like it. I will get it again.
Rate it? How much did it cost?
9 oh, it was 65 NT.
Which is like $3.
Recommend. What are we waiting in line for?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms!
We're waiting for mushrooms.
This is how long the line is. This was 100 NT and we got the spicy flavor.
How's it?
I love mushrooms, this is so good.
Rating? 10 out of 10.
Yeah. Worth the long line. It's our last day and we decided to get this again. It's so yummy. We're gonna miss this a lot.
8 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I would.